You guys are used to us doing budget setups, so what if I told you today we have a super premium setup without a premium price tag?
This is a 1440p gaming setup for $450, and it uses a lot of name brand components that makes up a really premium setup while not breaking the bank. But before we dive into today's setup, let's hear a word from today's sponsor.
We love mini ITX builds here at the Toasty Bros, and today's sponsor Deepcool has a really awesome case for mini ITX lovers, the CH160. The CH160 is a super clean compact case with a built-in handle that is very sturdy, tons of built-in ventilation for even higher end builds, and support for SFX, SFXL, and even ATX power supplies, along with plenty of room for all your cooling needs. If you're looking to build a sleek and powerful gaming PC, then the CH160 should be on your short list. Check the link down below to learn more, and big thanks again to our friends at Deepcool for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get into the video, shall we? Let's get this setup started. Just like any good house, we need a solid foundation, and for us, the Hystar Extended Gaming Mousepad XXL is perfect, offering a generous 36 by 16 inch surface paired with a comfortable 5mm thickness. It creates a luxurious feel under hand. You can choose from a selection of eye-catching designs that not only add a touch of style, but also boast a practical waterproof finish for longevity and ease of use. At $40, this is our mousepad of choice here at the Toasty Bros office and at home.
On top of this desk mat, we will place our Epomaker XF75 gasket-mounted mechanical keyboard that combines versatility and a tactile feel in a sleek and compact form. This 75% layout keyboard is wireless and hot swappable, taking up minimal space on your desk. Compatible with Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and a detachable USB-C, this keyboard offers seamless integration with multiple devices. The keys are crafted from double-shot PBT material, giving it a premium feel and responsive typing experience. Let's take a listen. A satisfying typing sound for just $80, the Epomaker XF75 clicks perfectly into place in this setup.
Every good mechanical keyboard needs a quality mouse. Coming in at a whopping 99 grams, this gaming mouse is crafted for streamlined operation and comfort. It boasts a well-designed button layout and delivers up to 250 hours of gameplay from a single AA battery. Compatible with both PC and Mac, this mouse is a reliable choice for various setups. At $47, its solid performance and competitive price makes it a solid pick even with the need for a battery.
With everything coming together, we can't leave comfort out, so we opted to add the glorious Onyx compact wrist rest. At 12 inches long and 4 inches wide, it fits neatly with most keyboards while providing substantial support. It is crafted from USA grade white ash hardwood, giving it a durable and sophisticated onyx dark brown finish. It features an anti-slip rubber base and is designed to promote good ergonomic typing angles. For only $30, this wrist rest is an affordable way to enhance your desk setup, functionality, and aesthetic.
Now for our audio experience, we chose the SteelSeries Arctis Prime headset in all black. It features noise isolating cushions that effectively block out distractions, ensuring you stay immersed during your game time. The retractable microphone allows for clear communication when needed and tucks away neatly when not in use. With a price point of $51 and its high fidelity audio drivers, this headset delivers quality and comfort, making it a straightforward choice.
To get this setup a nice appearance, whether you're using it or not, we decided to nab the Srhythm headphone stand. Priced at just $19 and made from durable aluminum with an anti-slip base, it provides a secure spot for your headphones, grounding your space with style and practicality.
And last but not least, the Asus TUF Gaming 27-inch 1440p 170Hz monitor from the VG1A series rounds out this gaming setup. With 1440p super high refresh rate and a built-in stand, it's also VESA mountable for flexible placement options. It also features the DisplayPort and 2 HDMI ports for convenient connectivity, and priced at $199 is an affordable choice that also makes a gaming setup look great.
Altogether, we've created a premium feel for a classic budget bros price, and of course we here at the Toasty Bros can't just put it together, we have to see how it games. Let's go ahead and put this thing to the test and some benchmarks. Alright guys, we got a nice 1440p setup, so you know it's time for some Halo Infinite, a very, very high-end AAA title that I think we're really going to be able to take advantage of this high refresh rate monitor with, so I'm very excited. Ooh. Well, where am I being shot? Where am I being shot? I'm straight in the pits. Goodness. That was a way to start the game. But yeah, I mean, we're getting 140 FPS. We're really not even fully utilizing our 170 Hertz, but we're kind of taking advantage of how just beautiful the colors are on the monitor by not lowering the settings and nuking the quality. But I mean, hey, the peripherals feel incredibly nice. I mean, it definitely feels like something that I think any of us here in the Toasty Bros office, or PC Bros for that matter, would actually run at home. You know, I can't always say that for some of like our really budget stuff. You know, we obviously are gamers at heart, so we're not running these like $5 keyboards that you see us use all the time. We're all running some pretty decent stuff, and this is definitely no exception. I would definitely rock this hardware. I would rock it hard. Get needled. Teammate, turn around, he's right there. Nios Dios. Oh God. Give us our flang Mac.
It was honestly that easy.
Well, hey, McAllister, I got you 7 and 1. I think we'll take that. So, I mean, honestly, Halo Infinite AAA title, even at higher settings, absolutely no problem. This monitor feels amazing, and so does the rest of the setup. Let's go ahead and test out another AAA title.
All right, guys, we are now playing some Warzone 1440p on balance preset, using some FSR to really let this 7800 XT shine. And speaking of the 7800 XT, guys, this is a good example of a one-off custom PC you can get at PC Bros. We build a bunch of one-off PCs, and we actually build them live most of the time on twitch.tv/ToastyBros. So definitely hop in on the stream one morning at 9 a.m. Eastern time to watch us build a awesome gaming PC like this one. Buttery smooth, 180 FPS. This monitor is so nice. Super vibrant, very fluid. You can definitely feel the full 170 hertz. And even when we drop a little bit in terms of our frame rate, it still feels buttery smooth. I will say this mouse is, the lightweight claims are a little off. Even though they say it's lightweight, 99 grams. I don't really agree with that nowadays when lightweight's kind of like 60 grams, but for wireless, it's still a good mouse. Yeah, this mouse pad as well. I mean, we knew getting this because we've used this Hystar company before for mouse pads. Very premium build quality, nice thickness, a lot of room for your mouse and keyboard. Overall, really impressive. Now, am I gonna die instantly? I have a feeling. Oh, they're shooting me out of the sky, come on. Oh, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Listen for these, oh! Did you juke me? Ooh. I pulled up, bro. Well, anywho, that was Warzone. 10th place. Honestly, super smooth experience. This gaming setup for $450 for all these peripherals, and put whatever gaming PC you want. It could be a PC Bros PC also. Performs very well. Let's go and wrap this video up real quick.
Well guys, we just got to play on an awesome 1440p gaming setup that didn't absolutely break the bank, but I will say, going with some premium parts was definitely a nice switch up from our normal budget routes.
With 1440p monitors becoming much more affordable, 1440p setups like this for $450 or even less sometimes is much easier than you might think. So if you want to build this setup yourself and maybe buy a PC from PCBros.tech, check those links in the description down below. They will be affiliate links and they will help us out. Let us know what you think of this style of gaming setup video in the comment section down below, and what other budgets you want to see here on the channel.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's setup. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
I gotta go play Halo again. So this full gaming setup right here will be for sale at PCBros.tech locally in store, and that PC will be online.
PCBros.tech. We sell gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and full setups. If you want to buy one today, go to PCBros.tech or come in person. See you guys later. Goodbye.